Today I'm gonna share the journey of how I created my very own rhythm game from scratch. The game is simple, the player needs to click the notes accurately from the center of the circle to the each direction of the notes arrive. Let's get into the Btw Walk 1. This game started as a school project for my 12th grade final. So I was thinking what to make. And since then I've always loved rhythm games. The first step was, of course, coming up with a name. My first name was Buttonrush because I wanted to combine two words that represent the game. Because you need to click buttons fast or something, I don't even know, but it didn't feel right. I tried so many names and finally I chose the name Flutterdash. Anyways, now on to the actual game creation. I wanted something unique yet simple. After some experimentation, something hit me. I thought that was a good idea. A rhythm game where notes fly from the center of the compass to the north, south, east or west direction. Simple, great and perfect. But then came the hard part. Creating everything. At first I thought this would be easy. This version was the earliest version that I have because I didn't save my code from the earliest versions. I had only one job, man. So I have the main menu working and only one level created to this point. It took a lot of time and effort, but I was making a progress. Here it comes, the new update with new useless things to us like loading screen, pause menu, and actually the pause menu is useful. And I made other changes but no one cares, so let's go into version 0. I'm just gonna say the last number 16. That was my first big update where I add so much things. New menu, new backgrounds without level 1 for some reason, but the most important thing was that the tutorial level is done. So I changed the circle animation, not a big deal. And I added the speed up menu. The speed up is simple, just select how much you want to speed up the level and it will go faster. And there are always bugs for simple things. Yeah, wanna hear something else that I made? This thing. Yay, the input system is working now and when you enter the game, you can crash. When you enter the level, you can also crash. So you may wonder why. Let's see. Oh yeah, first of all, you need an account to make a new keys. And when you enter the level, the game needs to check the database for every single node to see the key byte and change it. Yeah, I was happy for a day. And now I completely reward the current input system because I'm not like a normal person to just use the Unity input system package. No, I had to make it like a Windows Vista. Anyways, here's the list of the new things added to the game. Now the temp speed and streak are saved to the database. There is a new back button for the people that don't know how to navigate through the main menu. And I think that's it. Oh yeah. I optimized the game so you don't need RTX 4090 to run. Nothing much happened here, I just made the volume settings menu to work because of course I had to add every setting menu to individual update. I added updates so big no one can comprehend. Even Einstein will say, damn, this man is so genius. I added visual feedback when notes have been clicked. Yeah. But most importantly, I've changed the note accuracy system. The problem was that there is only one circle collider for each direction, which is the area where the nodes can be clicked. If there are two nodes in that circle collider, both nodes will be clicked at the same time, resulting in a... This is a school project and since I live in Bulgaria, I had to add Bulgarian language to the game. And oh boy, I needed to change or recreate every text in the game. Anyways, I presented the project and I got 6 or A+. I was feeling good, I could have finished the project and stopped working on it. But I didn't finish everything. I didn't finish the custom level, there was only 2 levels in the game, the UI was not good and I just wanted to work on the project for longer. And that was not the final version, be happy. I started working on a percentage system. For example, if you click a node perfectly, it will give you 100% and if you miss it will be 0%. I also added grades. And as I mentioned, I began working on the custom level. Now you can drag and drop a song and... wait. Why you... Oh yeah, there was a bug I remember. Anyways, now you can drag and drop a song. After so much time, custom level creation is finally done. I added difficulties when you create a level. And load button to load already created levels. So you're probably wondering how I created the custom levels. It was a very simple thing that took me only 6 months. The level creation is divided into 4 parts. Drag and drop. You already know this part. Once you've dropped the file, you simply need to click create. Yeah, let's get into the next part. Now the game will generate a custom level folder within the game files. It will create a subfolder named after the music file and copy the music file into the new folder. If you didn't get bored by now, this is where it gets interesting. The game will start analyzing the music by sampling it. Using the samples it will create notes for the level, and it will also calculate the BPM for the music. And finally we have the level loader. The game reads the text files in the custom level folder and loads all the necessary information. I started sound like National Geographic there. Anyways, version 24 was a big deal. Now after fixing so many bugs and adding so many things, it's time to create my my third level. Let's finally introduce you to the brand new level.
The Apocalypse.
In the next update I was just polishing the animations, graphics, gameplay, textures and adding new levels. And did I mention that we are now in pre-beta? That means welcome to the 0.1.0 beta version of the game. Now the game has 5 levels plus a tutorial, fully working custom level creation and settings. The game is released on itch.io. Download link is in the description. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the first devlog and I hope there will be more devlogs in the future.